Hello from Strandstuvikens Havsbad. This beach is located in Nyköping and it's located in the same name nature reserve and as well as a camping that is here as well. It's a long, huge sandy beach and it's out on the Baltic Sea, and the water here, it's very shallow, super shallow. And how I know this? Yes, I was here last year, probably on the exact same day or around this week, around midsummer, because I came here and back then it was sunny, now it's mostly cloudy, and there is nobody on the beach here today. It was pretty warm throughout the day, but now in the evening it's gotten a bit chillier. Right now it's 21 degrees Celsius in the air and feels like temperature of 19 degrees. And during lunchtime today I had a swim in Stockholm and it was 26 degrees. It was so warm and nice. But I'm exploring now Nyköping for a few days here and exploring the beaches here. This is actually the first beach that I'm visiting outside of Stockholm region this year. So let's see how it is. So you see, that's the whole beach and you can lay on the sand. Here I know that I need to walk so long to get to because you see it's not even 2 centimeters here. And so let's start walking, because actually I'm thinking I should probably walk from the pier there, from the boat, where the boats are, so I skip going in here. Yes, let's do that. Maybe we can come back walking down from the sea. So okay, now this sand here looks a bit like mud to be fair, but yeah. So the city Nyköping is located 1 hour away from Stockholm by train and even by car. And there are often trains that go. It's the Mälartåg. For me, it took me 45 minutes because I took the train from Flemingsberg, which is the second stop coming from Stockholm. Stockholm Central, of course, is the first station. And yeah, just to mention that they have also a nice sauna here. I guess it belongs to the parking, to the camping, of course. And yes, Nyköping, it's a very nice city. It has also an airport called Skavsta, where I usually fly from when I travel back to my home country, Macedonia. And it's basically on the sea, so there are so many beaches to explore, and as well there are many lakes. And this region, so Nyköping is part of Sörmland Region, which is the region south of Stockholm, and it has super nice nature, lots of nature reserve, and super nice tracks for hiking in the woods. It's called Sörmlandsleden. I'm not that much into hiking, but maybe someday I'm gonna try to walk that route. I think it's very long also. And I'm gonna show you also here the tiny boats that are here. I'm also now far away from my belongings, but it should be pretty safe here as there was no one there. So we are walking in here, and yes, there are nice steps there that are taken out because it's basically okay, here it says to take up the stairs after you have taken a swim. Of course we're gonna do that. I don't think that it is that much deep here. Do we really need the steps? Let's try it out. This is the first time I'm doing this. Everywhere the steps are basically always down. All right, this is beach day number 58. But I already did a swim in Stockholm today. But anyway, we're still on beach day number 58, and my first swim in Nyköping this year. This is Strandstuviken Havsbad. All right, so we are going down. Oh, but we didn't need the steps at all because it is below the knees. So let's take this out again. Take this up again because we are not going to need it. Okay, so it seems that the sea level is low for some reason. So yeah, it is very warm actually. It's super warm because it is not so deep here. It gets a lot warmer, and you see the sea basically ends here. So I don't think it gets much deeper here. I'm gonna try and see, but I don't think so. So I think we need to take a swim in this depth here. Let me see if I can get it a bit more deeper. Going back there, it's gonna be much more shallower. So I think here we need to try to find. Anyway, I don't think it gets any deeper. So we're gonna take a swim right here in this shallow water because I was really looking for a swim, but it's gonna be only a dip. So, all right, we are going down in the sea. Let me find just a nice spot. It's super shallow, but I think at some points it's a bit more deep, and here is that spot. So we are going for a dip right now. It's so warm. Oh my god, it's so warm because it is so shallow. This reminds me, I mean, the temperature here, it's basically the same as in Greece, even warmer because I was in Creta 2 months back or something. This is super warm. This is so warm, but nice and refreshing swim. Let's go once again because it's so warm. Super nice. And third time's a charm. So I'm basically diving in something that's up to my knees. But it was nice. It was good. It's refreshing. And on the way back, we're gonna walk all the way there. And yeah, because the water is warm, and we're gonna enjoy a bit some time on the beach. But thanks for watching this first ever beach adventure on my channel from Nyköping. And we're gonna visit some other beaches in the following days here in Nyköping. So make sure to tune in. And yes, midsummer is coming up. It's on Friday and Saturday. This is the biggest Swedish holiday, and I'm going to celebrate it, of course. So tune in for another beach adventure tomorrow, and take care. Bye.